Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is a follow-up video on the Alcatel Smartflip, or the if you're on Metro, it's the Go Flip, or T-Mobile's Go Flip. This phone right here is taking a beating. This is the second version of it, or the second one I've had, obviously, because the first one, this outside screen shattered somehow. But this one actually has gotten wet already, and it still functions like brand new. And the indicators are wet. And I opened the phone up recently. It was condensation all in here. Somehow water got in here. The phone had never been dropped in water. As you can see, the indicators are red right there and there. But somehow this phone got wet. I don't know how or when it could have gotten wet, but it did get wet. But the phone still functions like brand new. The other day, the outside display went dead on me. I'm actually using, this is the at&t model, but I'm using this on Cricket. The Cricket model is at Best Buy stores, and the at&t model is at Best Buy stores for 29 bucks, folks. It's a loudspeaker for 29 bucks. I highly recommend you grab this phone if you're on at&t or T-Mobile, and it's a awesome phone. The good part about the at&t and Cricket models is you don't need to unlock them. You can just use them. The sad part about the T-Mobile versions are you have to go through this unlock process, and it's all this nonsense. But this phone it's for a person who's not ready for a smartphone. And that's the best way I can describe it. If you're not ready to go full-fledged smartphone, this is a phone you should get. It has 4G LTE, and it is just a great phone on battery. It's an actual real backup phone. You see people saying, oh, my backup phone, and they're buying another smartphone. I don't believe that to be true. I'm saying those aren't backup phones to me. Those are regular full-fledged smartphones. And this phone right here, while it does have this older micro USB port, you won't use that very often because the battery life on this thing is ridiculously good. You get an extremely loud speaker on the back. The design of this, it could be dropped, and this one has been dropped a number of times, and it's been taking a beating, but it just keeps on ticking here. So, and like I said, recently it just got wet somehow. Condensation got in there. I don't know how, but it did, and it's still functioning at 100%. You've got a headphone jack over here. Obviously, you saw the inside. You can use it as a music player too. It's got FM radio, but the phone itself, to me, is for someone who's just not ready to go full on smartphone. It's just the perfect matchup because you get all that functionality, and then you can add social media. You can add Twitter. It has Wi-Fi. It has Bluetooth. It's just right. Look at this. This is amazing. So you can link this to your car. You can just go about your life and get the battery life out of this thing, but you don't have to worry about the smartphone type of battery life. There are some smartphones out there that get good battery life, but they won't be like this. The majority of smartphones today don't get good battery life, and this is a common thing amongst smartphones. Folks, this phone right here, for some reason, T-Mobile is trying to sell this same phone for $100 or something like that. Do not buy that. I mean, I hate to say don't buy it, but if you're on T-Mobile and that's what you want, get it and go for it. But I would tell you to try to get one of these at&t models and get the unlock code for it. You save yourself a bunch of money, and you're not on any kind of contracts or anything, paying monthly on a flip phone. $29 for this device is a steal. I mean, being able to go in and add your Twitter and all this. You've got maps, you've got Google services. You can use voice to text on here to text on. If you don't want to type in things with the keypad, you go old school, man. If you want to with the T9 texting, it's totally possible. Or you can just come in here, go to social. There's Facebook, there's WhatsApp, and it's just, you've got Twitter as well. Because I added Twitter on here. I'm doing this over the network. You've got Twitter, I believe, and you can use the browser for Instagram. I don't know why the Twitter isn't showing up in here. WhatsApp is there, though. That's a popular one. You've got some games. Where's my Twitter at? Because this is my new version. This is my new phone. This is my second one. The first one, I don't know if I said it already, but the screen cracked on the outside. Somehow it just cracked on its own. But look at all these things in here. You've got maps. It's the way to go. Where's my Twitter at? Twitter is available for this device because I put it on my other one. There's news. Where is my Twitter at? Where's Twitter? Twitter should be under social, unless it's already on the device. Did I already put it on here? No, I didn't. But anyway, social media, it's here. Now, let's not be give out bad information or give out a false hope. This camera sucks, but it's for, I've shot some video with this thing. I've taken pictures with it. So you're definitely not going to expect some fabulous things here with the camera. It is not good. It's nowhere near smartphone territory when it comes. At least you have one though. At least you have one. So it tells you how to switch. You're welcome to the camera, left and right key, switch between photo and video. So as you can see, press left, you got your video, and right, you got your video, and left, you got your photo. But if you go here to, this is what the options are like. Resolution, you go to settings and everything. You press left and right. You can go to the videos you already did, and you could change the modes there. So for the photos, these are the options that you have. For the timer, you can have your grid off, and you can obviously switch between the two. But the quality that comes from this thing is not, I'm not even gonna waste your time with it. The quality is decent. It's not mind-blowing, obviously, because this is a flip phone. Let's see here. I mean, it's gonna be, it's gonna be. Oh, I was gonna try to touch it. You gotta zoom in like this with the soft keys. You get the gist of it. The quality is not gonna be good, folks. It's not gonna be mind-blowing, but if you're in a spot where you need to take a quick photo or something, this phone can do it. This phone has been awesome overall, though. I actually have had this second one for quite some time. They sent me another one because the screen on the other one cracked super easy, like I said, but this is a great phone, folks. You get fantastic battery, a loudspeaker, it plays YouTube, it does have Twitter. For some reason, I can't even find my Twitter app on here, but the gratification of the Flip is just the best. So I want to give you a follow-up video because I do use this regularly as a backup if I'm in a situation, because the Cricket and at&t network is fantastic, especially with a phone like this. So just another follow-up on this. You guys have been wanting a follow-up on this, but I just had so much other stuff going on, but I had to bring it to you this time. This phone is definitely a buy, man. It's a win-win. If you don't want to be caught up into the world that we have today with smartphones, buy this one.